The most popular car leather cleaner on Amazon isn't always the one that actually works best. And that's what most people don't realize. Just because something sells a lot doesn't mean it's the right fit for your leather seats. Today, I'm breaking down 5 real options that actually deliver. Product number 1, Leather Honey Wipe Kit. First up is the Leather Honey Leather Wipe Kit, a 2-in-1 system with 5 cleaner wipes and 5 conditioner wipes, all individually wrapped so they won't dry out. At $17.66, it's positioned as a premium, no-nonsense solution from a brand that's been around since 1968. If you want deep cleaning and long-term leather protection in one convenient pack, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Leather seats dry out over time, especially in hot climates, and once they crack, there's no fixing them. These wipes don't just remove surface dirt. The conditioner actually penetrates deep to restore moisture without silicone or solvents. That means no greasy residue and no risk of long-term damage. Plus, it's EPA Safer Choice certified, so you're not spraying harsh chemicals inside your car. It works on all colors, including white leather, and even handles couches and bags. Great if you're maintaining more than just your car interior. Now, some people complained about the small wipe size. Each one is only about 6 by 7 inches, which can make cleaning large seats a bit tedious. Here's the thing though, they're individually sealed and pre-moistened, so you're not wasting product or dealing with spills. If you're doing full seat deep cleans often, you might go through them fast, but for spot cleaning and monthly maintenance, totally manageable. This is perfect for you if you want a trusted American-made brand that actually conditions while it cleans. Skip this one if you need to clean huge sections quickly or hate using multiple wipes per seat. For the price and quality, it's a solid value, especially if you care about long-term leather health. Product number 2, Chemical Guy's Mega 50-Pack. Now, if the Leather Honey Kit felt a bit limited in quantity, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Chemical Guy's Leather Cleaner Wipes Mega 50-Pack. At just $12.61, you're getting 50 wipes in a resealable canister, making it one of the most cost-effective options here. If you want bulk cleaning power without breaking the bank, this is a smart pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Interior buildup from sweat, dust, and oils happens fast, especially if you drive daily or have kids. These wipes are designed to lift that grime without drying out your leather. And they work on real leather, faux leather, pleather, and even vinyl. That's huge if your car has mixed materials. The mild leather scent gives that fresh detailing feel, and the formula is gentle enough for regular use. Plus, detailers actually trust this brand. It's not just marketing fluff. Now, some people complain that the wipes can feel a bit thin and sometimes tear during heavy scrubbing. Here's the thing though, they're meant for light to moderate cleaning, not caked on mud or deep stains. If you use them weekly for maintenance, they hold up just fine. But if your car's been sitting through a summer of beach trips and coffee spills, you might need something stronger. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, no-fuss way to keep your interior looking clean between deep cleans. Skip this one if you're dealing with cracked or very dry leather. It cleans but doesn't condition. For the price and quantity, it's a steal for regular upkeep. Product number 3, Wyman 2-Pack Wipes. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for long-term protection. The Wyman Leather Wipes 2-Pack. At $22.40, it's the priciest here, but it includes UV protection, which most others don't. If you park in the sun a lot and want to prevent fading and cracking, this one's built for that. Here's why this matters for you specifically. UV rays are one of the biggest silent killers of leather. Over time, they dry out the surface, cause fading, and lead to brittle cracks, especially on dashboards and driver's seats. Wyman's formula includes conditioners and UV blockers that help slow that process. It's unscented, non-greasy, and safe for cars, furniture, and accessories. These aren't just cleaners, they're preventative care. Now, some people complained about the small pack size. Only 2 wipes for over $22 feels steep. Here's the thing though, these are concentrated, high-end wipes meant for targeted use, not full car cleaning. Think of them like premium skincare for your leather. You don't need much, but what you get works hard. If you're using them weekly on high-exposure areas, they'll last. This is perfect for you if you live in a sunny climate or want to invest in preserving your car's interior long-term. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or need to clean large areas often. It's pricey per wipe, but the UV protection adds real value if you care about resale or longevity.
Product number 4, Leather Honey Cleaner Wipes. Now, if you liked the first Leather Honey product, but only want the cleaner, not the conditioner, this standalone version might be your move. The Leather Honey Cleaner Wipes come in a 10-pack for $17.66, focusing purely on deep cleaning. If you already have a conditioner or prefer to apply it separately, this gives you flexibility. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Sometimes you don't need conditioning, just a strong, safe clean. These wipes are extra large and textured, so they grab dirt and oil better than smooth wipes. They're non-toxic, fragrance-free, and safe for exotic leathers, white leather, and even foam materials. Plus, they're made in the USA with no PFAS or forever chemicals. A big deal if you're trying to avoid harsh residues in your car's enclosed space. Now, some people complained that 10 wipes aren't enough for regular use, especially in larger vehicles. Here's the thing though, because they're so effective at lifting grime, you often don't need to re-wipe the same spot multiple times. One wipe can cover a full front seat if you work efficiently. Still, if you're detailing weekly, you'll burn through them fast. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, chemical-free cleaner without extra conditioning. Skip this one if you're looking for an all-in-one solution or need bulk quantities. It's a premium product for targeted cleaning, not everyday bulk use. Product number 5, Air Jungle's 3-in-1 Wipes. Finally, the Air Jungle's 3-in-1 Leather Wipes, 50 extra large wipes, 8 by 10 inches, for $16.39. These are the biggest wipes on this list, and they promise clean, condition, and protect in one pass. If you want maximum coverage and multi-step care without switching products, this is the most efficient option. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Large seats mean more surface area, and small wipes just don't cut it. These cover more ground per swipe, reducing fatigue and time. The fresh scent is mild, not overpowering, and the formula is non-toxic and lint-free, so no residue on your hands or seats. It works on new and old leather, reviving faded areas while adding a light protective shine. Now, some people complained that the protect aspect feels minimal. It's not as deep as a dedicated conditioner. Here's the thing though, for regular maintenance, that light layer is enough to repel dust and slow drying. It's not a replacement for deep conditioning every few months, but for weekly touch-ups, perfect. This is perfect for you if you want one wipe to do it all and hate juggling multiple products. Skip this one if your leather is already cracked or very dry. You'll need something more intensive. For the size, count, and price, it's one of the best all-around values here. So, which one should you grab? If you want deep conditioning and don't mind smaller wipes, go with Leather Honey's kit. Need bulk cleaning on a budget? Chemical Guys delivers. Worried about sun damage? Wyman's UV protection is unmatched. Prefer just cleaning? Stick with Leather Honey's standalone wipes. And if you want big wipes that do it all, Air Jungle's is your best bet. No single product is perfect, but one of these is definitely right for your car.